Oh, don't hit the mail truck. I need my mail. No, come on. These are some of the luckiest drivers alive. Oh, just going through the intersection. Somebody turns right in front of him. Holy. That was pretty good driving, honestly. Okay, what do we got here? This looks like a dash cam from a semi as well. Following another semi. What is my man's doing? He has left turn signal on, but he's like pulling over to the right. So we're gonna make a pass on him. Nope, we're turning left. Holy shit. Okay, I mean, he did have left turn signal on, but that was really weird to like pull way over to the right and then like aggressively slow down. Comment below though, whose fault do you think that was? I'm like unsure as I see that. Okay, this is a great example of why you should have trailer chains. Right there. Jesus Christ. Good. Good freaking parkoured his way out of there. Yeah, take a deep breath, my friend. You're good. That was wild. Oh, dude, good work on the motorcycle. Who was at fault there, though? I think, yeah, I know they had green. My man's just ran the red light on him. Yo, chill, dog, chill. Holy. God damn it. Oh, he took out the light pole, too. Come on, if I was in this car, I'd be like, really? What are the chances? Oh, they actually touched him. Like, I'm pretty sure they touched him there, but they got away safely. Holy shit. Guys, be safe out there. Like, you're risking your own lives and others. It's so gnarly. Oh, something came out that truck. Oh my God, that was a wheelbarrow. Holy crap, this Dodge, come on. Launch the street. That was sketchy. Ooh. Dude, why are you doing that? Oh, no way. Okay, hit that sign, but that was sketchy. I don't know why he's driving like that. Like, he was going way too fast behind that guy, and then, I mean, he basically did like a drift, like a flick for like starting a drift. That's why he started drifting like that. A little semi roll race, let's go. Yo, get out of there, deer! God damn it. The deer in headlights thing is real. Like, they see headlights and they're just like, all right, I'm just gonna post up here and just cause complete chaos. Dude, get out of the road! What are you doing? What's going on here? Oh no! Okay, I could not handle seeing a puppy getting hit. I'm so happy that did not happen. Oh, don't pull out in front, fam! Oh, that was close. We're good, we're good.
Christ, you goddamn moron.
Filming this video is giving me anxiety. Like, I do not want to go out on the road and drive. This is just so gnarly. Oh God, someone's gonna smash a 7-Eleven. Don't smash a 7-Eleven, I need my snacks. Come on. Oh God, get out of the way. Pedestrians have the right of way, especially in a parking lot. So it's honestly, it's always the always the driver's fault. These are the reasons I don't want to drive a motorcycle. Like, people just don't pay attention to you and will just completely cut you off. And like, you're gonna get smoked if you're on a motorcycle. All right, this is kind of hard to see anything. We got nighttime. Again, like, how do you even know what's gonna happen? You see headlights coming. Oh, they're on the wrong side. Dude.
Thank you, Aaron.
Oh, my man's is pissed. Just the slightest, like, oh, just like the slightest moment of not paying attention and like in a flash, everything is just complete havoc. Dude, this moped driver is, ooh, good. That gave me some goosebumps, that's scary. Oh, he's gonna get cut off, dude. Oh my God, how is that working? He's clipping all the cones as he's going through. Like, motorcycles are cool and all, but it's so sketch. Here's another one. Oh, nice work, dude. Off your bike, you're good. Oh gosh. I swear, y'all put bad names on exotic drivers. Like, is Ferrari driver gonna do something stupid? Okay. Oh, whoa, BMW, chill. Dude, why did you? Who backs up that fast though? Like, honestly, who just like sends it when they're pulling out of their parking spot? All right, what do we got here? I like to imagine these guys are just on their way to work, you know, just trying to live their best life. Got some music pumping. Oh, we got a nice little Honda over there. A little ricer action. Oh, that was close. Holy crap. Rush hour traffic is always so sketch. Dude, why are you just sending it like that? Holy crap. Oh, no, on top. Oh, God. All right, what do we got here? We got somebody in a Huracan trying to show off. Dude, why are you driving like such a maniac? This guy is an asshole. Why are you driving like that? This is a guy who's a menace to society. This is like GTA real life. This is how I drive in Grand Theft Auto. Dude! Okay, my man's just walking. Holy crap, dude, get out of the way! Oh! Uh-oh, trailer wag. This is not good. It's so hard to stop him from doing that too. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no, oh, it pulled the car over too. Okay, the worst part about this is you just, like, you wrecked 2 cars. God damn, that was bad. Not lucky at all. That was unlucky. Not everyone's lucky. Oh, this music's copyrighted, but he's listening to some good rock music right now. Oh no! Caught in 4K. Oh, get out of the way! Get out of the way! No, he's going all the way. Okay, that wasn't that bad of a hit, but Jesus, dude, why? There's a dog right there. What is that dog doing? No, 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 no. Oh. That was a hit. God, dude. Oh, don't hit the mail truck. I need my mail. No, come on. These are why my packages are late. Because of this. God damn it. Oh. Oh. All right, we got this guy on the Ferrari just cruising. Dude. Oh. Good work, but like, take it to the track? God damn. All right, what do we got here? Whenever I see mopeds, I get scared. I just feel like you can just get smashed. Okay. Yo, why? Whoa, dude, on the bicycle. This guy was staring at the Lambo. He was just in complete awe until the very last second, and then skirt. Look at the form. Oh gosh. I've seen this one before, but dude, you idiot. Just donuts in front of the motorcycle, like, this lady's pissed, and rightly so. These are the guys that are putting bad names on supercar drivers. They're not all like that, I promise. All right, obviously not all these drivers are lucky. If you guys enjoyed this video, check out this one right here. I think you'd like it, and please hit that subscribe button. Peace out.